Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about our top three picks for the best mouse and keyboard gaming sets available for you. So, if you're just a beginner in the gaming industry or in the streaming industry, definitely these are some of the items that you might want to include on your setup. So these are all items priced below $100. So let's begin the video. First up, we have the Red Dragon K552BA with a mechanical gaming keyboard and a mouse combo. So the best thing about uh, the Red Dragon is the fact that it has, well, an aesthetically pleasing keyboard and mouse set with its famous red lighting effects. So it has a backlit keyboard, and the brightness and the effects of the keyboard are adjustable. And the best part about this is the microphone itself has six optimized and customizable mouse buttons. So you can program these buttons for different forms of gameplay, which is very helpful, especially for games that involves a lot of controls, or if you're a player who is used to gaming with different controls, then definitely this might be the one for you. The next one we have is a Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse and a Logitech 213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. Now for this one, it's priced at $79.98, so almost $80. For this one, the mouse itself is also customizable, but it can run up to 250 hours of battery life. So it's wireless, USB powered. So you just plug into your device and you should be able to use the mouse. And on the other hand, it has a lag free in terms of both the mouse and the keyboard, and it has a high mouse sensitivity. Plus, the lighting itself is, yes, again, it is customizable. And as you can see here, it has a very nice display of the mouse, quite minimalistic, and it uses different colors compared to the Red Dragon, which obviously only uses its famous red feature. So it has a spill resistant design and it's perfect for long game sessions or long gameplays. And finally, we have the Aula wireless keyboard mouse combo. So for this one, it uses the F99 keyboard and the SC580 mouse. So for the Aula gaming keyboard, it's actually a customizable keyboard as well. For this one, this has a swappable custom keys, meaning the keycaps are replaceable. So if you want to have that creamy texture whenever you're tapping the keys, this might be the option for you. So it has that creamy effect or that creamy sound whenever you tap on the keys. And at the same time, if you want to like customize the keycaps, you can do so. Some features of the mouse and the keyboard includes, of course, the customizable keys. And as for both the mouse and the keyboard, it can be either on a wireless mode or it can be wired up to your computer. So that's really helpful, especially if you ran out of batteries for your mouse or your keyboard. And it has a low mouse latency. So if you're a gamer, you definitely don't want to have any lagging in terms of your mouse, especially if it's USB controlled. Usually the problem with USB is if you're using a USB mouse, there is definitely sometimes a lag whenever you're using it. So sometimes has a it tends to pick up the mouse sensitivity quite late. But with this one, it offers a low mouse latency and it's suitable for different types of systems. So you can use this either on Mac, on OS or Linux, or of course on Windows. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.